The revised cutoffs for NEET PG 2025 have been notified. Have you become eligible for NEET PG 2025 through the revised cutoffs? Are you looking to participate in round 3s and the stray rounds to get the best seat out of NEET PG 2025? ZyNerd is here to help you with information on most of the counseling processes that you will be applying for within the short time frame that you have. From knowing the possibilities to understanding which counselings you are eligible for, which are the seats you might get under different counselings, how to apply for each counselling, the registration process, which are the open seats, what is the fee, stipend and bond of each seat, whether it is affordable for me, the rules and regulations of the counselling process, the process of resignation, upgradation and penalties in each counselling. Every information that you want, you are looking for is available in ZyNerd. Do you feel that you don't have the time at all to evaluate institutes and prepare your preference orders? ZyNerd has the closing rank based preference orders which you can pull out for government institutes, private universities, deemed universities across all counselings. These are based on candidate preferences of 2023, 2024 or 2025. What more? You can also use our allotment mapping and rank scan tools to decide between the best options of All India round 3, state round 3 or maybe should I wait for the stray rounds. All information that you need for making your choices is available in ZyNerd. ZyNerd is now available at an unbeatable offer price for the first 500 registrations alone for the next few days. Get ZyNerd, get the best seat that you deserve.